ETC was actually getting a lot of inquiries from businesses who were after skilled baristas and cafe workers. We realised that there was a skill shortage in this area, so we developed our Café Culture course. This provides job seekers with practical hands-on training to help fill the need by creating more skilled workers.
They get skills in operations of the coffee machines, they get customer service skills, food handling skills, food prep skills. They have real life setup experience for the cafe. The job seeker actually comes away with the skills instead of the employers having to put all the hard yards and the work into actually training them. They come preloaded with all the skills necessary to actually jump in the workplace and start work.
Coffee that I ordered today was a skim flat white, which was amazing. I'm a bit of a coffee snob myself, having my own coffee machine at home, and it was amazing. It was really lovely, perfect temperature, and yeah, I really enjoyed it. With the food, I actually got a mini hot dog, which was probably not the best thing to do, but being on a diet, but also it was great. It was really good, nice and warm, and yeah, it was delivered really quickly as well. The impression the students gave me today was a really positive one. They were all really professional and happy, yeah, really approached everyone in a really lovely, friendly way, which is what you'd expect at a regular cafe.
I feel a lot more confident about even like making coffees and everything, and even facing the customers and public and that, yes.
It's a great course. It's a lot more hands-on than it is theory, so that's good. I love learning by doing practical more than theory. So yeah, it's given me a lot more confidence in myself, knowing that I can get there and make the coffees.
So I've got the kind of experience to work in a cafe now, to be able to go behind a coffee machine and make coffees for people and hopefully not stuff them up.
Before I was like really shy, I didn't want to talk to anybody, but now I'm just like treating everyone as my friend and actually greeting people happily, so I'm much more confident in myself.
So my message to employers would be definitely give these students a go. They really have put in the hard work and the dedication to getting these skills, and they really do shine bright.